Hello, bankers. A very good evening to all of you. Welcome back. So, guys, in this particular session, we are going to discuss our unit number third from INIFS Module A. Okay. So, Module A, which is all about Indian economic architecture. So, we have already done with our very first two units, an overview of Indian economy, sectors of Indian economy. So, today, in this particular section or in this particular with this particular topic, we are going to build our understanding toward the economic planning in India. So that means whenever we talk about economic planning, it include planning commission and Niti Aayog. So planning commission, that was linked with the 5-year plan, and the other part is Niti Aayog, that is generally known as India's think tank. Okay. So planning commission, which get replaced by the Niti Aayog. So Niti Aayog replaced planning commission from 2015 onwards, 1st January 2015 onwards. Okay. So during that 12 5-year plan, okay, so 12 5-year plan was a very that was the last 5-year plan for our country. Okay. So 12 5-year plan को आपका बीच में रोका गया. The timing was for 12 5-year plan 2012 to 2017. But in 2015 itself, the NDA-led government, they generally abolished the structure of planning commission, and they come up with a new institutional body that is generally known as Niti Aayog. Okay? So basically, this entire unit is all about the economic, the economic related areas or economic overall development. Though we are going to have one session which is known as economic reference reforms. So where we will be discussing around the major development, that is like we have different phases of India's economy. Okay? Or even we have specific references to banking sector as well. But यहाँ पे with this particular unit, we are going to discuss the entire planning things in India. ठीक है? So economic planning and Niti Aayog. So definition of economic planning, then type of planning. We have objective of planning, economic planning, history of economic planning, assessment of 5-year plan performance. So National Institution for Transforming India, Niti Aayog, financial resources for economic plan. This last subtopic and this Niti Aayog and the assessment of 5-year plan. These are some important subtopic from this particular unit itself, right? So before coming to our very first question, with the help of a number of MCQs or statement based question, we are going to practice each and every aspect of this particular topic. I hope everybody know about the basic background of India's planning. It started with there was one book which get released in 1934, the Planned Economy for India. Okay? So the Planned Economy for India was the very first step for the overall economic planning for India. Okay? So after that, Congress government, they come up with Congress plan in 1938. Then Second World War started. Okay? So by the end of Second World War, okay, so the Second World Wars which generally end around 44. But during that period, we also started with some other plans, like we have Bombay plan by 8 major corporates or the businessmen from Mumbai, including GRD Tata or Ambani's and all. So they come up with the industrialization reforms in Indian economy and how we can improve the overall productivity of the company. Apart from that, we have People's Plan, we have Sarvodaya Plan. Then finally, we form one based on the outcome of all these particular plan, we come up with one organization which is generally known as Planning Commission. So 15th of March 1950, when we formed Planning Commission, and we with this Planning Commission, we come up with 5-year plans. So first 5-year plan was from 1951 to 56, and the last 5-year plan was 12 5-year plan 2012 to 2017. So first 5-year plan, which was focused on the overall development of agriculture. So during that particular period, we generally build up so many dams across the country. Second 5-year plan was focused on industries, so on. 12 5-year plan was based on the overall the inclusive development with the help of public-private partnership. All right. So there were so many developments during these particular plans in all the, and we have three planning gap also. One is during that 1966 to 69. Another one was 78 to 80, that rolling plan. Then we have 1991, that economic crisis and economic reforms. Okay? So overall, then finally, we come up with one another aspect of planning that is generally known as नीति आयोग. ठीक है. तो आज की सेशन में ये सारी चीजें आपका जो मैंने अभी पिछले 2 मिनट में हमने डिस्कशन किया है, इनके अराउंड आपका जो चीजें हैं एंड कंटेंट विच इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर योर एग्जामिनेशन that we are going to practice in this particular session. ठीक है. तो we have already talked around these particular thing in our foundation classes also. ठीक है. कॉन्सेप्ट क्लासेस में भी हमने इनके ऊपर डिस्कशन किया हुआ है. ठीक है. सो अब हम लोग आएंगे आपका बेसिक जो मेजर एरिया है उनसे रिलेटेड. ठीक है. सो वी विल स्टार्ट विद वेरी फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑन योर स्क्रीन. Which of the following statement about the objective of economic planning in India are correct? So you have to find out the most accurate statement with related to objectives of economic planning. ठीक है. So we have 5 statements. So one by one we will go through these particular one. Economic planning in India aimed at sustained growth in economy. Economy's output level, I think it's 100% true. Poverty alleviation has been a key objective of Indian planning with various program introduced by different governments. Again, this is 100% true. Okay? And the very first time when we focus, like that 6th 5-year plan, that was completely based on the poverty alleviation and self-sufficiency. ठीक है. So जहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा इसके ऊपर बात किया गया था, there was आपका गरीबी हटाओ, there was a motto during that particular period. ठीक है. Employment generation is another aspect. So poverty, which is directly or proportionally linked with the unemployment here. So to elevate this poverty, we generally focus on employment generation also. So this यहाँ पे लिखा not considered an integral part of Indian economic reforms that make this statement wrong. Economic planning in India focus on reducing inequalities and ensuring social justice. True. Modernization of the economy include industrialization. So industries, creation, forming new industries, and changing social outlook such as gender equality. So this is also one. So the only statement incorrect is third. So 1, 2, 4, 5. 1, 2, 4, 5 means option A only will be right answer for this particular one. So it is all about the objectives of the economic planning in our country. So statement third was incorrect. Employment generation is a fundamental part of the economic planning itself. Okay, let's discuss these particular one in detail, right? So if you talk about the planning goal, economic planning goal. So in India, primary goal of planning are not only broad, but also open-ended. However, the following are the major key focus. Like whenever we come up with a plan, let's say we come up with very first 5-year plan, तो 5 सालों में क्या क्या चीजें आपकी की जाएंगी, what will be our priorities during those particular 5 years. ठीक है. तो जैसे first 5-year plan was जिसका सबसे बड़ा टारगेट था आपका एग्रीकल्चर. सेकेंड वन was based on industrialization. Third one was based on एग्रीकल्चर प्लस सेल्फ सफिशिएंसी. इस तरीके से आपके जो मेजर टारगेट्स हैं और उनके अराउंड जो प्लान हमारे इवॉल्व होते थे. ठीक है. सो फर्स्ट वन इज इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ. ठीक है. अगर हम लोग बात करते हैं, ठीक है, इन टर्म ऑफ सस्टेनेबल ग्रोथ इन द इकोनॉमीज आउटपुट लेवल, sustaining growth in economic output is one of the primary goal of all the 12 5-year plans or even today itself. Poverty elevation आपका, ठीक है, poverty elevation, one of the goal of Indian planning is to elevate poverty. Several programs aimed at elevating poverty have been introduced. जैसे आज की डेट में भी even today itself we have so many plans, like plan like Manrega which got introduced in 2000, ठीक है, as Manrega. Earlier it was like known as Narega. ठीक है. We have Mudra Yojana, we have PM Swanidhi Yojana. So these are the current plan. But during that particular period also we have number of plans. Employment generation, one of the most fundamental goal of planning has to be reduce unemployment. Employment generation in India has therefore been an integral part of the poverty alleviation program in India. Okay? Why we come up with Mudra scheme or PM Swanidhi Yojana? So we want to make people dependent. ठीक है, we have startup India, stand up India. तो इन सब का मोटिव आपका कहीं ना कहीं poverty reduce करना है. Social justice and reducing inequalities. So economic disparities have far-reaching negative consequences in any society. So there was a visible economic inequalities in India at both interpersonal and intrapersonal levels. By the time India started planning, economic planning was widely acknowledged as a technique for addressing all type of economic inequalities and injustice. ठीक है. Then we have self-reliant economy. ठीक है, आत्मनिर्भर भारत जिसको हम लोग basically बोलते हैं. ठीक है. So self-reliance was characterized as endeavor to combat a self-servant position in the global economy. Then modernization was the very last one. So these were some primary goal of India's economic planning as well. All right, chalo. Next question, guys. Which of the following statement about 8th 5-year plan 1990 to are correct here? So now 8th 5-year plan. 8th 5-year plan. The timing is 1992 to 97. So just before that, we come up with new economic reforms. You have to give these kind. You have to make these kind of आपका references. New economic reforms, which is led by LPG model, liberalization, privatization, globalization, and 1990 and 91 was one of the worst economic time period for India. So वहाँ पे like our reserve was like very minimal. We have only forex reserve, so we can do trade for next 1 week or 15 days. Today we have 700 billion US dollar forex reserve. So with that amount, we can do trade for or import export for next 18 to 20 months. So as वहाँ पे the condition like Indian economy, we were in some sort of trap. ठीक है, तो this LPG model जो हमारे लिए काफी बड़ा सर्वाइवल बना. ठीक है, तो जस्ट आफ्टर दैट वी कम अप विद आवर 8th 5-year plan. ठीक है, सो द टाइमिंग इज 1990 to 97. Now how this references will help you to solve this particular answer that we will understand. 8th 5-year plan was delayed due to political instability and economic challenges. Actually it should be like 7th 5-year plan was 1985 to 1990. So it अब ये यहाँ पे 2 साल डिले हुआ. that is the reason. Leading to two separate annual plan 1990 91 91 92 100% true. The plan recommended an increase in role of state in all economic activities to control market fluctuation. No, so this is wrong. State intervention को decrease किया गया. ठीक है, state means here आपका जो government का intervention होता है. ठीक है, we come up with आपका liberalization that is directly linked with this particular one. ठीक है, so liberalization is means ease of policies. ठीक है, so ease of doing business. तो कहीं ना कहीं like this statement is wrong because we focus toward the privatization things, liberalization things, and the final outcome was globalization. ठीक है, so this was not part of this one. So we trying to move toward the open economies. ठीक है, it emphasizes the cooperative federalism and decentralized planning. This is true. So what we have to find out correct statement, that means 1 and 3. 1 and 3 means option C will be right answer for this one. So statement 2 was incorrect. The plan actually recommended reducing the role of state. That means liberalization and privatization, promoting market-based development where feasible. Okay, so that is the one. Okay. Next one. So 8th 5-year plan, these were the major concern and innovative suggestions for 8th 5-year plan. Okay. Sorry. It was recommended that the role of state in the economy be refined immediately. Okay. First one, basically reduce करने के या उसकी एक्टिविटीज को आपका लिबरलाइज या प्राइवेटाइज करने की बात की गई. मार्केट बेस्ड डेवलपमेंट एडवाइस इन एरियाज दैट कैन अफोर्ड इट. इसके अलावा more infrastructure investment, particularly in lag state, as ongoing emphasis on the greater private sector investment could not be attracted to those states. Rising a non-plan raising non-plan expenditures, non-plan expenditures को बढ़ाने की बात की गई, एंड फिस्कल डेफिसिट को आपका चेक करने की बात की गई. ठीक है. Subsidies must be restructured and refocused. Planning need to be decentralized. Special emphasis on cooperative federalism and a strong emphasis on agriculture and rural activities. So these were the key like outlines of the 8th 5-year plan. Okay, so kind of the key focus of the 8th 5-year plan. ठीक है, जहां पे हमें clearly जो न्यू इकोनॉमिक रिफॉर्म्स थे उनके आउटकम्स या उनके इंपैक्ट को आपका देखने के लिए मिल रहा होता है. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट वन गाइस, which of the following statement about 6th and 7th 5-year plan of India are correct? ठीक है. तो 6th 5-year plan 1980 to 1985, 7th 5-year plan 85 to 90. ठीक है. So the motto of 6th 5-year plan was गरीबी हटाओ, poverty elevation, जैसे भी हमने बात भी किया था इस पे. The first statement is correct. 6th 5-year plan introduce the target group approach for poverty elevations. ठीक है. So to reduce poverty, we generally come up with a plan of target groups. ठीक है. So कि कहाँ पे हम लोग किस किस तरीके से एक्टिविटीज करेंगे ड्यूरिंग दोज 5 years. ठीक है. The Jawahar Rozgar Yojana was launched in a 6th 5-year plan to provide rural employment. This statement is wrong. Jawahar Rozgar Yojana, it was the year was 1989, and 1989 means it was part of your 7th 5-year plan, not the 6th 5-year plan. So this statement is wrong. The 7th 5-year plan 85 to 90, which focus on rapid food grain production, job creation and productivity. True. The 7th 5-year plan led to improvement in India's balance of payment and reduction in budgetary deficit. This is something which is again wrong. ये गलत क्यों है? 7th 5-year plan was the period कि आपका 90 वाला time. ठीक है. And that time our like this ये जो balance of payment was, that was already in problem. ठीक है. तो वहां पे हमारा जो forex reserve थे they were minimal. ठीक है. So improvement नहीं था. There is आपका this completely got destroyed. ठीक है. Deterioration in the overall balance of payments, not in the improvement side. ठीक है. So the government relies heavily on foreign borrowings during the 7th 7th plan, leading to fiscal imbalances. This is also true. ठीक है. So now if we go for the right answers, what we have to find out, right? 1, 2, 4, 6. 1, 2, 4, 6. 1, 2, 4, 6. 1, 2, 4, 6. That means option A only will be right answer for this particular one. So 2 statement was wrong. In this case, first one was Jawahar Rozgar Yojana was not part of 6th 5-year plan. It was launched in 7th 5-year plan 1989. We have mentioned correct here. Yes. Okay. The another one was 5th 5-year plan. 5th statement. 7th 5-year plan led to deterioration in India's balance of payment rather than the improvement. So these were the 2 wrong statements. Otherwise, everything was good. ठीक है, चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Next one. Which of the following statement about the 12th 5-year plan are correct? So 12th or the final 5-year plan, 2012 to 2017. But like after 2015 itself, so 1st January 2015, that is the time or the establishment of नीति आयोग. तो वहां से प्लानिंग कमीशन को आपका खत्म कर देगा. ठीक है. So in NDA government, they generally form in 2014 itself. So they come up with this particular step, and they come up with one think tank, one of the largest think tank of the country, that is called Niti Aayog. Okay? So 12 5-year plan targeted a growth of 10%. No, planned growth was 9%. It focused on achieving 4% average growth in agriculture, food grain growing at 2% per year. Okay? Yes, this is right. Yeah, this is wrong. Yeah. The plan recognized the need for a new land acquisition law balance fair compensation and development need. This is also true. It proposed the introduction of universal healthcare facilities as a priority area. Okay. The plan aimed to reduce the energy intensity of production process and ensure rational energy prices. ठीक है, this is also true. ठीक है, तो दूसरा तीसरा चौथा पांचवा, ठीक है, दूसरा तीसरा चौथा पांचवा, हाँ, so option B should be right answer for this particular one. ठीक है, so the only statement incorrect was statement 1 आपका. ठीक है, so the average targeted growth was 9% during those 5 years. So like whenever we come up with like यहाँ पे structure कैसे चलता था, how this structure worked. ठीक है, so before launching that particular entire plan, government used to issue one draft. Government means Niti Aayog in this planning commission in this particular case. ठीक है, and कहीं ना कहीं जो complete structure आपका है कि what will be our target in next 5 years, what will be our key focus areas and all. So these are the things which get released by the government in their planning documents. Okay, so if you see the 12 5-year plans, you will see those particular numbers also. Okay, who was the key architect of India's second 5-year plan 1956-61, which was focused on industries? Industries means PC Mahalanobis. Okay, so first 5-year plan was built up based on Herard Domer model. Okay. Second 5-year plan was based on, or the architect of that particular model was based on the thought of PC Mahalanobis. Okay. So that is the one. Now, अब यहाँ पे कई लोगों को confusion आ रहा होगा कि what to do about all these 12 5-year plans, how to study, what to study and all. You do not have to worry about that. So now one by one, 12 5-year plan, their key summary, then just after that, the comparison objectives and all that we are going to discuss. So I'll provide you this particular document. With that only, you can revise and you can try to memorize all those things. And we will be creating number of MCQs based on this particular topic. So you can have better understanding if you'll practice those particular one again and again. If you'll see the detailed solution, so you will be able to remember these things. Believe me, guys. It's a process. Just follow the process. हो जाएगा, ठीक है? The first 5-year plan, 1951 to 56, it focused on agriculture and improving living standards. During this particular period, we generally come up with like that. I hope you heard about the Bhakra Nangal Dam or Sutlej Dam. So these are some different dams which we generally created for the agriculture irrigation purpose. So first 5-year plan, the core focus was agriculture because that time we have maximum dependency as well as maximum contribution from this particular side, that is agriculture or primary sector. So that's why it was focused on the primary sector. Second 5-year plan, 1956 to 1961, it is known as Mahalanobis plan. It focused on industrialization. During this particular period, we created industries आपका जैसे भिलाई steel plants or Bokaro Bhilai was part of third one, I guess. ठीक है, Bokaro और Bhilai one was part of third one. And there are two other industries, steel industries during this particular period as well, right? So third 5-year plan, 1961 to 66, balanced development of agriculture and industry, failed to achieve target due to war with China 1962, war with Pakistan, Indo-Pak war 1965. So during this particular period, we generally face two major losses. And if you study the growth rate, the actual growth rate, so in third 5-year plan, there was the least growth rate. Reason, these two wars. During this particular period, we fought two major wars, one with India, China, and another one is Indo-Pak war, right? So that is the one, and we made huge losses during both the war because that time we do not have preparation for any kind of war. ठीक है, हमने बिल्कुल ऐसा भी नहीं सोचा था कि like after this freedom things and all, ठीक है, हमारे ऊपर हमारे पड़ोसी देश अटैक करेंगे. ठीक है, so this is the very first time when we faced such kind of retaliations from our neighborhood countries and all. So जब तैयार नहीं होते तो नुकसान बहुत ज्यादा होता है. ठीक है, अब आज के डेट में we are ready for any kind of things, but that time like back to back we face these two war, तो बहुत ज्यादा नुकसान जो हमें देखना पड़ा. और like it is not only about the financial, it is also about the human life or the territorial. आपका जैसे कुछ चाइना ने ले लिया, कुछ पाकिस्तान ने पीओके आपका ले लिया, that is the one. 3 annual plan. Just after this, to come up or to come out from this particular problem, government they come up with 3 annual plan, 1966 to 1969. So 5-year plan was disrupted due to economic and political instability in the country. Then fourth 5-year plan 1969 to 74, focus was growth, stability and social justice. Again face issues due to war with Pakistan 1971, that Bangladesh issue, and a global oil crisis also. 1974 to 1979, fifth 5-year plan, poverty alleviation and self-reliance, introduced measure like minimum need program but face challenges in implementations. Sixth and seventh 5-year plan, sixth 5-year plan. Seventh, economic stabilization and increasing productivity in all sector, success in agriculture production, technology and export promotion. Then eighth 5-year plan, then we have one another gap which is known as new economic reforms, which led by LPG model during that particular period, and that is also known as a era of crisis or the phase of crisis, 1991 to 1992. After that, we come up with the eighth 5-year plan. So modernization, growth and human development, post-liberalization era, increasing private and foreign investment. Then ninth 5-year plan to 1997 to 2002, justice, social justice and sustainable development, focus on decentralization in Panchayat Raj institutions. 10th and 11th, 10th was 2002 to 2007, 11th was 7 to 12. Economic growth, human development, inclusive growth. So progress in sector like education, we have healthcare and infrastructure. 12th 5-year plan 2012 to 17, faster, sustainable and more inclusive growth. The slowdown in global economy affected the growth targets. Slowdown, that 2007-8 global financial crisis, which has a major impact on these two. The especially आपका the end of this and the beginning of this. Okay? So this is something which were like a kind of a brief summary of your 12 5-year plan. ठीक है, तो अगर आप इतना भी पढ़ते हैं ना, this is definitely going to help you out. ठीक है, अब इसके बाद का one another comparison which was part of your book itself. ठीक है, तो एक बार उनको जल्दी से आपका this is your homework guys. ठीक है, so I सभी लोग आशा करता हूं कि आप सभी लोग इसको गो थ्रू करेंगे. ठीक है, सो यहाँ पे फर्स्ट प्लान आपका 51 to 56. ठीक है, सेम थिंग इन अ ब्रॉडर मैनर. ठीक है, तो ये चीजें सेम यहाँ पे हैं. यहाँ पे हमने उसको बिल्कुल समराइज टू द वर्ड्स लिखा हुआ है. यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा और आपको जैसे ऑब्जेक्टिव एंड असेसमेंट. ठीक है, जैसे आपका प्लान एम वाज 2.1 एंड वी अटेन 3.2% ग्रोथ रेट आपका. ठीक है, सो focus on agriculture growth to attain the food safety or self-sufficiency, inflation management and prioritization of irrigation and power project. ठीक है, इसीलिए वो डैम आपके बनाए गए थे. ठीक है, so if you talk about 5 Indian Institute of Technology IITs were established as a premier technological institute. ठीक है, second 5-year plan 51 to 56 to 61, industrialization was a major, heavy industries. ठीक है, so आपका जैसे हमने बात किया भिलाई या फिर बोकारो स्टील प्लांट. भिलाई वाज द पार्ट ऑफ सेकंड वन, बोकारो वाज पार्ट ऑफ थर्ड वन. ठीक है, इसके अलावा आपका दुर्गापुर स्टील प्लांट विच वाज पार्ट ऑफ दिस वन मोर. ठीक है, सेकंड 5-year प्लान के अंदर. ठीक है, सो टारगेट ग्रोथ वाज 4.5, वी अचीव दिस पर्टिकुलर वन. ठीक है, हाइड्रो इलेक्ट्रिक पावर प्लांट्स एंड 5 स्टील प्लांट्स कहाँ पे, भिलाई, दुर्गापुर एंड राउरकेला. ठीक है, सो भिलाई, दुर्गापुर एंड राउरकेला एंड दैट बोकारो वाज पार्ट ऑफ थर्ड वन. ठीक है, जो तीसरे में बना था. ठीक है, सो थर्ड 5-year प्लान आपका 1961-65. सो फोकस ऑन बूस्टिंग अप नेशनल इनकम बाय 5% पर एनम, टारगेट ग्रोथ आपका. ठीक है, एंड द 5-year प्लान प्रोजेक्टेड ग्रोथ वाज 5.6 एंड वी अचीव 2.4%. ठीक है, दिस इज द लीस्ट वन. रीजन that Indo-China War 1962, Indo-Pak War 1965. ठीक है, third 5, then we have planning holiday, plan holiday, it is also known as plan holiday, those 3 annual plan. ठीक है, just after the war situation and all. ठीक है, then eventually third 5-year plan came. ठीक है, फोर्थ 5 ईयर प्लान आपका, ठीक है। फोर्थ 5 ईयर प्लान गॉडगिल स्ट्रेटेजी आपका, बेस्ड ऑन गॉडगिल स्ट्रेटेजी, ठीक है। सो देयर वाज ड्रॉट सिचुएशन एंड इंडो पाक वॉर अगेन 1971-72, ठीक है। एंड the target growth rate was 5.6 and we achieved 3.3. Fifth 5 year plan 74-79. The target was 5.2 and we achieved 5.5 during this particular period. Sixth 5 year plan 80-85. गरीबी हटाओ मॉडल, ठीक है, पॉवर्टी एलिवेशन, ठीक है, एंड the most objective were met with 5.5% growth rate. Seventh 5 year plan 85-90. So economic productivity boosting and all, that was the target. And here Jawahar Rozgar Yojana 1989, the actual growth was 6% during this period. Then we come up with annual plans. So that is new economic reforms which is led by आपका LPG, प्राइवेटाइजेशन, ग्लोबलाइजेशन एंड लिबरलाइजेशन, ठीक है। देन 8th 5 year plan will see maximum growth in this one, ठीक है। So rapid growth, manufacturing sector increase, production in this, ठीक है, and the growth was 6 point, actual was 6.7, plan was 5.6, ठीक है। इससे ज्यादा भी आपको मिलेंगे, ठीक है। 9th आपका यहाँ से बेसिकली अपटिक स्टार्ट हो जाएगा, ठीक है। ग्रोथ विद जस्टिस एंड इक्विटी, एंड द टारगेट वाज 7.1 and we achieved 6.8 आपका, ठीक है। With introduced during the overall slowdown in the economy caused by the Southeast Asian financial crisis or the oil crisis, ठीक है। 2002 2007, ठीक है। So it is 8.1 target we achieved during this particular period, ठीक है। 11th आपका 2007 to 2012, ठीक है। सो क्विक आपका फोकस ऑन द ग्रोथ एंड प्राइमरी ऑब्जेक्टिव वर टू अचीव क्विकर एंड मोर इंक्लूसिव ग्रोथ, ठीक है। सो प्लानिंग कमीशन एक्सप्रेस द worry about the meeting growth expectations. As the result, fiscal responsibility and budget management, ठीक है। So FRBM Act was passed during this particular period itself, ठीक है, FRBM, ठीक है। And it achieved 7.5% growth, target was 9%, ठीक है। And 12th 5 year plan आपका, ठीक है। So faster, more inclusive and sustainable growth with the help of public private partnership was the focus, and plan target was 8% and we achieved 6.7%, ठीक है। So 8% was the plan target. I guess we did 9%. Earlier first it was 9%. Later on, see this data you need to correct, ठीक है। So earlier it was 9%, okay? Then government reduced it to 8%, and actually during till 2015 we achieved 6.75 70%, okay? So this is the if you study this particular one in detail, you will come to know this particular conclusion. So this is the kind of, like, if you will go through this much of content, this is more than sufficient for your upcoming examination. All right guys, now we will practice things about Niti Aayog. So which of the following statement about Niti Aayog are correct? So now Niti Aayog, National Institution for Transforming India, so one of the largest or biggest think tank in India, so they generally changed the approach. So earlier the approach was center to state, means planning commission, which kind of central level body, they generally frame the plan and they implement it across the country, ठीक है। तो सेंटर में हमने प्लान बनाया, हर जगह अपने हिसाब से लगाते हैं। बट नाउ व्हाट वी जनरली डू, वी जनरली गेट फीडबैक फ्रॉम स्टेट एंड अदर bodies of this particular organization. They provide the feedback. Based on those feedback, we generally create the plan, ठीक है। So we reverse the game, first thing, ठीक है। Second thing, कॉमन अगर हम लोग बात करें, प्लानिंग कमीशन के चेयरमैन, फर्स्ट चेयरमैन वाज पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू। तो ये जो पोस्ट है आपका, ठीक है, द चेयरमैन पोस्ट ऑफ प्लानिंग कमीशन एज वेल एज नीति आयोग, दैट बिलोंग्स टू द प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ द कंट्री. So first 5 year plan, that generally, or we formed this planning commission in 1950. So that time Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was India's prime minister. So he was the very first prime minister, very first chairman of planning commission. If you talk about that Niti Aayog, so we formed Niti Aayog in 2015, and that time or today we have like the prime minister of India is Mr. Narendra Modi. So Narendra Modi जी आपका पहले और अभी तक के इसके जो प्राइम मिनिस्टर चेयरमैन है नीति आयोग के लिए, ठीक है. So Niti Aayog was established on 1st January 2015 by resolution of the Union Cabinet through it is replacement of आपका फाइनेंस कमीशन नहीं, ठीक है, इट इज प्लानिंग कमीशन, ठीक है, इट इज प्लानिंग कमीशन, ठीक है, दिस इज रॉन्ग, ठीक है. सो द टीम इंडिया, it is also known as team India, ठीक है. So team India, that think tank is also known as team India, ठीक है. So the team India hub coordinate state involvement with the central government through the knowledge and innovation hub strengthen Niti Aayog think tank capabilities. Yes, ठीक है. Niti Aayog promote cooperative federalism by the bringing state together in work in national interest. See what I told कि पहले क्या था, आपका सेंटर से प्लान होते थे, दे गेट इम्प्लीमेंटेड एट ग्राउंड लेवल, बट दिस इज फेडरलिज्म इज समथिंग जहां पे स्टेट गवर्नमेंट्स, दीज आर द पार्ट ऑफ दैट टीम इंडिया और थिंक टैंक, they are giving the suggestion. Based on the suggestion and feedback, we are framing the policies. The governing council of Niti Aayog include prime minister as chief minister of state, sorry, prime minister, which generally led this particular one, chief minister of state, lieutenant governors, ठीक है, lieutenant governors जो आपके होते हैं, ठीक है, अंडमान एंड निकोबार एंड अदर्स. ट्रू. नीति आयोग function as a regulatory body? No, it is not a regulatory body, it is an advisory body, ठीक है. It is one of the largest think tank of the country. So it is not a regulatory body, it is an advisory body, ठीक है. So this is wrong. So we have to find out the correct statement. So only two statements were wrong. So 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 3, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means option D should be right answer for this particular one. ठीक है guys? So these two statement was wrong. नीति आयोग replace planning commission, not क्या था आपका finance commission, ठीक है. आपका 7th was wrong. It is an advisory body, not a regulatory body. Next one. Which of the following is not a function of Niti Aayog in promoting fiscal federalism? So facilitate coordination between the center and state on concurrent issues. This is the function of Niti Aayog. We have to find out the incorrect about the Niti Aayog function. Monitoring and ranking state based on the performance. Yes, we have sustainable development report, which is generally released by Niti Aayog itself. I hope you had read about the Kerala on top, or this is state on top, this is on bottom. Okay? Encouraging interdepartmental competition through knowledge. Yes. Providing financial grant. No, it cannot provide financial grant to state and all. Okay? That is done by finance commission, not by Niti Aayog. So this is wrong. That means this is statement D will be right answer for this particular one. Okay? So Niti Aayog does not provide financial grant. Rather, it serve as a platform for fiscal federalism by promoting coordination, competition, and knowledge exchange among the state itself. Okay? So next question, how does Niti Aayog promote accountability in governance? So by reducing the number of ministries, by implementing 5-year plan review, by collecting real-time performance data through the development monitoring and evaluation offices. Option C, without any doubt, it is the right. So unlike planning commission, which reviewed our performance only after the 5-year plan, Niti Aayog monitoring government activities in real time and ensure better accountability and efficiency. This is one of the plus point of the formation of Niti Aayog. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे जनरली क्या होता है कि like what challenges we are facing with 5-year plan, कि हमने 5-year plan लाया, implement कर दिया, ठीक है. Then अब वो complete होगा, उसके बाद we are studying that 5-year plan कि successful था या नहीं था. But here we have kind of जो current data आपके हैं, ठीक है, we are evaluating our प्लान एट सेंट्रल लेवल और स्टेट लेवल ऑन कॉन्करेंट बेसिस. ठीक है, तो रेगुलर बेसिस पे हम उनको आपका कहीं ना कहीं क्या कर रहे होते हैं, चेक कर रहे होते हैं या टेस्ट कर रहे होते हैं आपका. ठीक है, सो दिस इज द वन. ठीक है, सो गाइज एक्चुअली आई हैव वन अनदर सेशन. ठीक है, सो आई विल कंटिन्यू दिस पर्टिकुलर वन इन आवर नेक्स्ट सेशन इटसेल्फ. ठीक है, सो आई विल कम अप विद वन मोर पार्ट ऑफ this Niti Aayog. No, there are few questions are remaining, so I would like to complete this particular one. So please do have a look around these things. ठीक है, तो ये थोड़ा सा कुछ एरियाज आपका. नो, विल डू वन मोर सेशन एंड आई विल ऐड मोर प्रैक्टिस. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, मैं इसमें एक और सेशन आपके लिए करूंगा. एंड जल्दीबाजी में, क्योंकि लास्ट के देर आर फ्यू क्वेश्चंस और फ्यू एरियाज विच आर वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, सो वी कैन नॉट स्किप दैट डिस्कशन. ठीक है, so I'll come up with one more session and I'll add few more question in this particular one, so we can have more practice. All right guys, so ये हमारा आज का discussion about the planning in India. सो एक और पार्ट जिसमें हम लोग फिर से एक और सेट ऑफ क्वेश्चन, फर्स्ट वी विल build the first we will cover the remaining subtopic of this one, then we will have a mixed set of question also, so जिससे कहीं ना कहीं कोई भी क्वेश्चन आपका मतलब कोई भी पार्ट मिस ना हो, और वी कैन हैव मैक्सिमम प्रैक्टिस ऑन दिस वन. ऑलराइट, सो आई होप यू एंजॉय दिस पर्टिकुलर वन. अगर आपका कोई डाउट है तो प्लीज डू मेंशन इनटू द कमेंट सेक्शन, or those who are watching on app, so you can share me your queries through chat section, or you guys have my number also, okay? So you can ping me on WhatsApp, or you can call me for any kind of assistance, right? So आज के लिए इतना ही करेंगे. I'll see you tomorrow at same time with our part 2 as well as the remaining topic of module C. Now I'll increase the classes, okay? Because I have a target ki like by 31st March we are going to close with IN IFS. Then from 1st April onwards we will start practicing PPV and RBWM also. All right. So this is it from my side, guys. Thank you for joining this session. Thank you for watching this session. Bye bye. Take care all. Have a nice day. Thank you.